How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus Backrest Air Pump. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Note the location of the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Pull the rear shroud toward you to detach it, then turn it clockwise and rest it on the floor. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover. The 2 PCB cover corners facing the front of the chair are secured by a barbed tab. Push each corner of the cover toward the front of the chair to clear the tab lip, then pull firmly up on the cover to detach it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Follow the air pump cable to the main PCB, cutting the 4 zip ties that secure the cable to the other cables. Remove the red connector lock from the black air pump connector by pulling outward on the tab and then upward. Disconnect the black air pump connector from the PCB, then free the air pump cable from the cable bundle. Pull firmly on the air pump hose to disconnect it. Using a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the air pump to the chair. Remove the air pump. Now, let's replace it. Place the new air pump into position with the hose fitting facing the rear of the chair. Replace and partially tighten the first screw. Replace and fully tighten the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Replace the remaining 2 screws. Attach the air hose to the air pump, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Install the red connector lock onto the air pump connector, then connect the cable to the main PCB. Replace the 4 zip ties to secure the air pump cable to the other cables. Cut the excess zip ties. Note the 2 longer tabs on the back cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots, then raise the back cover into position. Lower the back cover slightly to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Raise the backrest into position again, then replace and partially tighten the upper 4 screws. Replace and fully tighten the 2 lower screws, then finish tightening the 4 upper screws. Note the 2 tabs on the PCB tray. Note the 2 slots on the PCB cover. Lower the PCB cover slots over the PCB tray tabs, then use your fingers to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the PCB cover. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.